Welcome to Atlanta, where innovation meets excellence. Welcome to the Simona Experience. As part of Simona AG, a global leader in thermoplastic products with offices and production sites around the world, Simona America Group is your US-based partner. We combine local expertise with the resources of a worldwide network to deliver innovative solutions across diverse industries. Simona America Group unites Simona America Industries in Archbald, Pennsylvania, Simona Bolteron in Newcomerstown, Ohio, and Simona PMC in Findlay, Ohio. Together, these three companies synergize to offer an extensive range of high-quality materials, serving diverse markets from chemical processing and semiconductors to aviation, rail, marine, and beyond. At Simona, we're more than thermoplastics, we're shaping the future. Our material science expertise drives innovative solutions for today's modern challenges. We are pioneers and problem solvers. Our technical experts push the boundaries of what's possible, developing unique products tailored to our customers' most advanced applications. We are educators, committed to empowering our partners with knowledge through Simona Academies, on-site support, hands-on troubleshooting, and our industry-leading digital tools like SimChem and Vision Factory. We ensure our customers stay ahead. As trusted partners, we stand by your side from concept to delivery, fostering deep relationships with our distributors and sales representatives to ensure shared success. Sustainability is at the heart of everything we do. Our dedication to responsible environmental stewardship is woven into our company culture, driving us to reduce our impact and champion a greener future. We are Simona, the fabric of America. From agricultural equipment to RVs, from playgrounds and outdoor recreation to equipment that supports our first responders, from bathroom partitions to luxurious aircraft cabins, our materials are all around us, enhancing lives and powering progress. Simona America Group delivers the materials of life, propelling America forward. With an expanded presence and a commitment to excellence, Simona America Group connects you to global expertise, an extensive product line, and a reach that ensures your business thrives wherever it takes you.